I am man, Mad Max.
Why must have been in a chain like it's not a court, you know?
But I mean, I no argument with you. Just
You
pass.
don't know, maybe. Yo, eat up yourself.
Why you act like you're on drugs?
Clear, brother, yo. Just lucky gun for me.
No worry yourself. Things are gonna get better, I promise you that, you see me? And I like saying I corrupt against someone like you know. I just assure you it all as how it is.
Hello, you.
We have a child together.
That not have nothing to do with me. That not have nothing to do with me. So me have one pitney me fi stay with you in a poverty. And that you want me to do?
I need you to stop force things down people's throat.
Oi, don't say that. From me come here, just talk about force thing down the throat. Somebody have force something down the throat.
That's what you're trying to do.
All you have to do, testify against him.
No, say set me up to you know. I still love you. What?
It just happened that my audience did it when things happen. See, you can't tell me no because me hear everything. That do you mean when me read it? Me was concerned to why Miss Berla give you one letter. So me no must have to read it. Me I go just take anything, so?
You see, anytime your letter come in here, don't read them.
Hey boy, Mad Max, don't move.